Welcome for the demonstration for the watercolor practice for the Nature Mosaic project. To get started, what you will need is the Watercolor Project Practice Worksheet, watercolor brushes. You will also need a pencil and an eraser. You may have already chosen a reference image for this project, so please go ahead and grab that. You can choose a flower, landscape, or something from nature. You'll also need your watercolor paints, paper towels, a paint palette, and a cup of water. Okay, let's get started with the techniques practice. All right, I have already chosen my colors and activated my watercolor paint. I am going to begin with geometric shapes. Try to practice clean edges and practice value blends. Take your time and keep it nice and neat. And there's a little extra space for you to make your own shapes. Next, we're going to move on to the mosaic practice. Practice geometric shapes in a mosaic style. Try to keep the spaces in between nice and even and nice and clean. We are next going to start on the final sketch. Go ahead and grab your reference image, and depending on its orientation, you may need to turn your paper. Looking at my reference image, I'm going to go ahead and lightly sketch out my flower. Once my sketch is complete, I'm going to lightly erase my lines. I am then going to begin to practice my mosaic shapes with watercolor. Okay, so now that I've practiced my final sketch, I have a good idea of what I'm going to do for my final project. Check out the time-lapse video for the Mosaic project. The link will be down in the comments. Thank you and have a great rest of your day.